What's up, Degens? I hope you're doing well. My name is Curtis, and today I have a brand new video for you. Written by our Chief Technological Officer, Tim, we talk about what Web3 is and why you should pay attention to it. Enjoy. Today, we're going to try and do a deep dive into what is Web 3.0 and why we should be paying attention to it. To answer that question, we're going to need a little bit of history on what is the web. Going back to January 1st, 1983, we have Web 1.0. This began in the United States with the Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, or ARPANET for short. The United States military and educational institutions, like big universities, would use a connected web of computers and copper cables to send messages and information quickly without the need of the postal service. This eliminated the need to carry bulky bags of paper and messages back and forth. It was also significantly quicker. Rather than waiting weeks for a message to get from one side of the country to the other, it would take a matter of hours. The growth of this network was quite quick, and with the advent of communication channels like email and IRS, our Internet Relay Chat, the scope of this network expanded beyond the military and educational institutions. Regular individuals and tech-savvy businessmen started to understand the power that this new network could have on the general consumer. Soon, static web pages were being used more and more for things like message boards and Where's display. Internet Explorer and Netscape Navigator helped push the boundaries of what the web could be. It didn't take long for a paradigm shift to occur from static one-to-one content on the web to more interactive content like social media and e-commerce. Organizations like Pets.com and MySpace showed that there was a very real interest from the public to use a more dynamic and participatory structure to the web. Over time, these companies and organizations evolved into what we see today, with Amazon and Facebook being major drivers of web technology. These organizations, however, all suffer from the same Web 2.0 fatal flaw. This is that they are all very centrally biased. All of the data that goes from one user to another must pass through a centralized database and centralized system. This is where the power of the blockchain shines, and where Web 3.0 really hits its stride. Due to the decentralized nature of blockchain nodes and the transparent nature of the open internet web, 3.0 applications have the ability to be just as quick and powerful as centralized applications, providing the end user the security and peace of mind, knowing where each and every transaction and piece of data has gone and where it's going. This ability to track where each transaction has gone gives decentralized applications and Web 3.0 the ability to provide ownership of a user's digital footprint. Every action that a user takes on a Web 3.0 application is logged within the network and can be valued appropriately. This means that when you interact with a social post on a Web 3.0 application, the engagement that is driven from your action can be valued and compensated in a fair and reasonable manner. Rather than having all of that data and that engagement go through a centralized service and compensation distributed based on what a big company believes, it gives power back to the network. And because it is so transparent, it allows you to know where you stand in the network. This can be translated into many fields in many different ways, and the potential for Web 3.0 is near limitless. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on all of our socials at Degen Matrix on Twitter and Instagram. Join us on our Discord as we are giving away one of our special membership NFTs. Catch you later.